Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee Chef from Stables. Happy New Year to everybody and thank you for following us. Today we are doing something that's very close and comfort food for me. We're doing a dish called the pulao, but which has ingredients from Middle East and flavors from Northern India. We're going to do spinach and vadi, which is a lentil dried dumpling with potatoes in a rice pilaf. This is a one-pot dish, complete with protein, carbohydrate, fiber, iron, and it's actually a very, very comforting pulao or rice for us. Just chopped the spinach very coarsely and sliced thick slices of onions, and I'm now peeling the skin. These are new potatoes, as you can see the skin's coming out really well. We just took these potatoes out of the ground 2 days ago at the farm. I will quickly slice some thick juliennes of ginger. Now coming to my magic ingredient. This is vadi, which is actually a very traditional global product. Vegetarians have used dried lentil dumplings as a protein supplement. So this is made with urad dal, black lentils, has ginger, cumin, chilies, asafoetida, and red chilies. So what we do with this, all vadis, is you deep fat fry them and then you add them to the dish, whether it's a lentil, vegetable or pulao or a rice. And what I've done is, for ease of today, I've already fried them. So once fried, they look like this. They're crisp now, but once steamed with the rice, it becomes very, very soft, rich in flavor, and just picks up the dish by itself. I'm putting ghee, clarified butter. Be liberal with it. They say you can never have enough in a dish. So I'll go in with cumin first and wait till it crackles. I'll follow that up with 4 green cardamoms, a small teaspoon of cloves, 1 star anise should do, black pepper for heat, a stick of cinnamon is fine. We will now add the ginger and the onions. We'll allow it to get translucent. We don't want to overcook this. The interesting part of all rice preparation is the measure of water to rice, and that makes all the difference. I will now add in the potatoes, then we'll stir it a little bit more. Notice I haven't added salt as yet because the onions start getting cooked very quickly. I want it to get caramelized before it starts wilting and cooking. Now we will go in with the rice. I've taken 2 cups of this rice. 2 cups, and then we'll add 4 cups of water to this. A quick stir, and we'll go in with the spinach now. This will disappear in no time once it wilts. About 3 or 4 bay leaves and the fried vadi. And now we must not forget the salt. Be careful as to how much. And now it's done. So this is this one pot wonder I was talking about. It has everything in it, and I'm going to cover it and we can forget it for the next 12 to 15 minutes. So while the pulao is getting done and you can see the steam come out and we can smell it, it's beautiful, I'll prepare 2 accompaniments. Make a cucumber. So and I love to add fresh ginger in my salads. For some reason I love it. People in my house react to it sometimes, but mostly we get away with it. And these days the cucumbers are really fresh. They're pretty much seedless. So you could choose what you want. I'm keeping the skin on. And we now also add tomato for the acidity and the color. We'll follow this up with cilantro and we'll finish with some lime. It makes it very nice. Some salt. And this is ready as one accompaniment for this rice dish that we've just made, and I'll come back to this in a bit. Meanwhile, the other thing that can go with this dish that we're making is a yogurt-based raita. It's been about 14 minutes. I want to check the rice. Yeah, I think it's nearly done. It's good to just now switch off the flame and let it cook for the next 7 minutes in its own heat. I'm going to chop some boiled potatoes. You could grate them too, and finish with some roasted cumin powder and Himalayan rock salt. Yeah, so now the proof of the pudding. Voila! As you can see, the colors here, beautiful. I can smell the vadi also spicy, rich, and the fresh bay leaf and all the spices and spinach is absolutely melted. The rice is cooked. Like I said, if you get the proportion rice, this is a magical dish to go after. I'll put this out on a plate. On a really chilly winter afternoon, guys, this is divine. So this is how it goes with the yogurt and the cucumber and the Wadi Aloo spinach rice, complete by itself. Cheers.